Meet Alex. They're the head of global services at a large manufacturing organization. They've got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. They need to handle complex workflows, improve the field team experience, and improve service delivery. Pronto Forms offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look at how Pronto Forms can help a manufacturing organization like Alex's solve those challenges. Alex needs a solution that can handle complex workflows. With Pronto Forms, service technicians have the latest information at their fingertips, so they can address changes in real time and improve first-time fix rates. As soon as there's an update in compliance regulations, new versions could be deployed to service technicians in the field, helping to avoid missing reports, recalls, and fines. This makes it easy to meet customer expectations in a complex, ever-changing environment. With Pronto Forms, Alex can improve the field team experience and talent retention. Intuitive workflows only ask for the information that is needed, which saves time and reduces field team frustration. With reliable offline support, teams in remote areas can use the same tools and benefit from the same features as connected teams. Offline data entries automatically sync once connectivity is established. All the relevant data is in one place, which makes it easy for multiple team members to collaborate on complex, lengthy jobs, even across shift changes. This allows for a more efficient handoff and makes the data easily accessible for future analysis. When it comes to improving service delivery, Pronto Forms has Alex covered. Field team members can identify cross-sell and upsell opportunities on the spot, alerting the right group for follow-up and helping to increase customer service revenue. Customer feedback web forms can be set up to trigger incident reports, as well as gather valuable customer input upon service completion. Alex is convinced that Pronto Forms is the right fit to help their company reach its strategic goals faster. Smart, Alex. Very smart. Check out Pronto Forms on AppExchange to learn more.